Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Max Muay Thai. Now moving on to our last fight tonight, Thailand takes on Kurdistan.
คู่ปิดท้ายรายการของเราในค่ำคืนวันนี้ครับนักชกไทยปะทะนักชกจากประเทศ Kurdistan.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, introducing our Kurdistan warrior, 26 years of age training at Qaradaghy Gym. Before a record of 35 fights with 24 victories. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Ali Qaradaghi. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing our Kurdistan warrior, fighting out the blue corner, 26 years of age, training at Qaradaghy Gym. Let's hear it for Ali Qaradaghi.
And his Thai opponent in the red corner, training out of Qaradaghi Gym at the age of 18. He holds a professional record of 37 fights, 24 victories. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Muay Qaradaghi Gym. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise! Welcoming your young Thai fighter, fighting out of the red corner, representing Qaradaghi Gym. Let's hear it for Muay Qaradaghi Gym.
So moving on now to our final fight of this evening, 72-kilogram division, Thailand versus Kurdistan for this one. And introducing first in the blue corner, Ali Qaradaghi from Kurdistan. He's 26 years old, stands at 185 centimeters, has 35 fights, 24 wins, and 11 losses. It's his debut here at Max, and he trains and fights out of Qaradaghi Gym, where he's trained by Kirisak Qaradaghi, and is managed by Qaradaghi.
His opponent in the red corner, Muay Qaradaghi Gym. His real name Kiridet Kamnut from Ratburi to the west of Bangkok. 18 years of age, 174 centimeters tall, had a total of 37 fights, 24 wins, 1 draw, 12 losses. His last 4 fights at Max, a third round TKO loss to William Whipple from America. Points win over Tang Yunfei from China, Points win over Tien Fong, Pui Foreman, and a points win over Dieselek Payak Tongchai. Trains and fights at the Qaradaghi Gym, where he's trained by Chanrit Sitor and he's managed by Petnik, Qaradaghi Gym and Moonkit Sansuk. Tall, rangy fighter, Ali. Lao Pui Foreman there taking off a stablemate of Muay, taking off the Moncon. Lao never in a dull fight. Round number 1. Quite a wide open stance here, Ali. Into the clinch. Good work from him here in the clinch early on.
They're driving those knees into the midsection there, but Muay, beautiful counter knee himself.
Get the elbow in as well here, Ali. Possibly the first fighter, I think he definitely is the first fighter from Kurdistan we've had here at Max. Desperately trying to get the elbows in early on. Strong low kick from him there. Muay complained that one was a little bit low.
Ali using his size and reach well.
Big body kick from Muay that time.
Oh! Caught him right on the chin
What a
there.
shot, the guard down, and that's going to be it in the opening round.
Just got caught, getting a little lazy, taking a step back after that exchange.
Just too relaxed for his own good there.
Guess he didn't expect that Ali was going to throw that kick up there.
Square on the side of the jaw. Doesn't look very happy with himself there, Muay, but it's just one of those things. Ali over there pays respects. Beautiful, beautiful shot from Ali there.
See it one more time on the replay.
See, it's a bit casual there. Swaying back, but bang. See the way they're landed there. There's not going to be much chance of him coming back from that. Twisting the head round. Stunning KO win on his debut, Ali Qaradaghi from Kurdistan.
And that was a beautiful neck kick. All right, and now it's time for Fight Thermometer. All right, ladies and gentlemen, after just 1 round of action, we have a winner by ways of technical knockout. Blue corner, Ali Qaradaghi.